take that out of her mouth and then put it in yours. Katie. Katie. Sophie.
Sophie. She's not trying to be mean. She's just
Katie. Kathleen. Kathleen.
She's like, I'm going to stick that in my mouth.
Well, she's seen Katie do it. So here, you can have her other one if you really want. Play with it.
Thank you, Aunt Tanya.
Alright. I don't know about that.
She doesn't want to suck out like a pacifier. She just wants to play with it. That's pretty. Meanwhile, Kathleen has discovered that she can't get out with Mommy and Daddy.
How many teeth does Katie have now?
6.
6?
4 on top, 2 on the bottom.
Oh, I want her to have more than one tooth.
Hey, Judy, they're doing something you'll never do.
It's making sure everyone's obeying the laws.
Would you walk on I wish there was a shady trail to walk on.
Do we need to tell him you're being a bad boy?
You'd get upset if I walked on it.
I'm not the bad boy.
Sophia! You're not watching your daughter. Sophia! She keeps banging on top of Katie's head and laughing.
I don't think Kathleen is really caring.
No.
I don't think she's doing it to be mean.
No, she's just
To play.
excited.
Alright, you two, back to your corners.
She likes to try to share, but she's not quite sure how. Oh, Sophie, Katie didn't like that.
Oh. Alright.
I was going to be hearing a lot of that over the next year.
Katie didn't like
Sophie,
that.
Katie didn't like that.
We're going to have to let Katie borrow Ethan so she can
Learn how to put up with her.
with rambunctiousness.
Whoa, whoa. What do you think of that, Ethan? You want your Aunt Tanya and Uncle Paul to come steal you for a bit?
Oh, no.
Katie and Sophia for a little while. He thought it was